Time to get back into it. Think we got some steep ahead. The trail just disappears. Ooh, yeah. Disappears was a good choice of words. Ah, this is gorgeous. Whee! Keep it tight, son. Woo! Yeah, ain't going that way. Woo! Ah, corn bush. Holy cheap shit. Wow, this trail system's unfreaking believable. Wally! How you doing? Alright. You riding back here much? You riding these trails much? Yeah? A lot of fun back here. My first time. Can't believe it, yeah. They said like 70 miles, right? Yeah, I'm looking for about 10 today. You have a good day. Spruce Knob. I started all the way at the top. Yeah, I'm going to take, what does this go to, Seneca Creek?
This is Seneca Creek.
And then that goes right back to, what, the road, 112?
Yeah, right above Spruce Knob Lake.
So then, how far from there up to the Lumberjack Trail is it, do you think?
Man,
Okay.
somewhere.
Yeah. On the road, it looked like it was just a couple miles.
Yeah, it's not too far.
All right, cool. Yeah, my girl's hiking the other way. I'm riding this way, and we're gonna meet up over there.
Okay. Oh, the lumberjack trail is what you said?
Yeah.
2 miles.
Oh, from the end to oh, sweet.
Clear it up there, you'll see the sign.
Excellent. Excellent. Cool.
2 miles.
Take care. Have a good time.
Have a good one.
Appreciate it.